Today we have another reveal of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, including the first live photo leak. So first up, before we get into the exciting Z Fold 5 stuff, for all of you Samsung fans out there, Samsung are currently running the Discover Samsung campaign, and they've got daily deals on a huge range of their electronics, including the S23 Ultra, the S22 Ultra, the S23 Plus, and lots more. Now for those of you that want to check it out and grab yourself a bargain, I've placed a link down in the description below, or you can click the card in the top right corner now. Next up, we've got more news of an early release date for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, so it's looking very likely that this is the case. Last week, Ross Young told us that it was happening, and a new report from the Elect says that Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Flip in the last week of July. Now this is 3 weeks earlier than usual, and it's thought to be down to more competition in the foldable market overall, so it's better for Samsung to get to market sooner. Now next up, we've got confirmation from Gadgets Data on Twitter that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to be using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 because there's going to be no Plus model this year, and he also confirms that we're going to be seeing a new water drop style hinge. Now the new water drop style hinge not only allows the Z Fold 5 to fold completely flat, but it's also said to add durability to the display, and rumours are saying that there's no longer going to be a crease in the middle of the display. Now we hear this rumour every year, so I'll believe it when I see it, but if Samsung can deliver a foldable phone with no crease in the centre of the display, then it's going to be the best fold in the market. Now next up, we've got a couple of leaks from Ice Universe surrounding the Z Fold 5 cases. The first tweet shows us a comparison between the Z Fold 5 case and its predecessor, and as you can see, the external display is slightly different, and the LED flash has been moved to the top right-hand side of the camera module on the Z Fold 5. This falls exactly in line with the renders that Onleaks provided last week about the new design, and to be honest, given Onleaks' reliability over the past couple of years, we shouldn't need much convincing that he is correct again. Now for those of you who still don't believe it though, Ice Universe also tweeted some live photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 clear protective case, and as you can see, it confirms the exact same design again. When it comes to device leaks, the case manufacturers get the CAD early in time to prepare, and given that we're so close to launch now, we can be very sure that this is exactly what the Z Fold 5 is going to look like. Now while there's really not much change design-wise, we're going to get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we get a new display which is going to be better and brighter than the predecessor, and of course, if the rumours are true, there's no crease in the centre of the display. Now leaks are still reporting we're getting a 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 10 megapixel camera system, and this is the same as the predecessor, but we're hoping that we do see some new and improved sensors. We've also got news of an upgrade to 25-watt wireless charging. Now overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is looking like an incredible folding phone, but with so many similarities to its predecessor, I can't imagine that anyone with the Z Fold 4 is going to be rushing for an upgrade. Now that being said, with devices like the Pixel Fold coming to market at the same launch price as the Z Fold 4, it really is helping Samsung to increase the foldable market share. Now of course, as we get closer and closer to launch, more solid information is going to continue to come in, and I'll be sharing it as soon as it does, so make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.